This video will give you a good sense of the guest house project by giving an overview of where the guest house is at Rock Run House, where it is in relationship to the main house, and all the different aspects of the project. So here's the main house at Rock Run House, and over here beside it to its right is the guest house. It has a little lawn out beside it, and it backs right up to and is built right into the side of a limestone cliff. This guest house is older even than the main house, and the family who originally lived on the property built it and lived in it after they built the barn, but before they built the main house. It has old beams and old wood in it. There are old radiators, and here you get a sense of the cliff. It's kind of a long way down out that side window. The old Route 40 is out in front of it, the National Road, and the house is always close to it and built right on it. We've got all the old layers taken out of the house now, mostly lath and plaster that creates an enormous mess, and we've taken almost all of it out, and now we're right down to the level of cleanup. There have been surprises in it, mostly including the 7-foot snake. If you haven't seen that video, you should go and look at it. That has been living up in that attic for I don't know how long, but he came down peaceably and was relocated into the creek, where I hope he's happy, though probably not as comfortable. At some point, a walkway was built out that back door over to the main house, and it's really quaint, but not something we would probably continue to use. So we have some restructuring to do of the floor plan here on this main floor. It's these cute cabin-like windows that open out and into the front sunny yard. So that's the entry level of the guest house, but there are 2 other levels. So we go around, there's a couple strange structures. This we call the grotto because there's a cliff wall in it. It looks kind of grotto-like. We never have been sure what it was actually used for. This room on the right is the ice house, and we're just passing the bread oven that we've done a number of videos on. It's the ground floor here around back, close to our kitchen, and that's going to have a lot of functional use in it for events that we have on the property. It has a bathroom in it, and we'll have wash sinks for vegetables, and place for a wood stove for the wintertime, and a miscellany of work that we'll do there through the year. As you come up, you can take this back winding stairs over the bread oven and into the second floor of the guest house. Now this is just below the street level floor that we were just in. This will be a part of the rental. This will be the floor where the main bathroom is. This is the floor where the 2 bedrooms will be. And the upper floor above, the street level, will be the floor that goes with it, where the kitchen and living room will be. And this great cliff wall that will remain exposed in the bathroom and in one of the bedrooms. Back out and down the curving stone steps, which will function as an egress for that apartment. This shot gives you a sense of the back of the building. And here you can see on the left the cliff that continues on beyond the house. This is where the patio work and all the stonework has been recently done from videos that have been recently posted. And this entryway comes into the old spring house and summer kitchen. It's a big stone fireplace. And here on the left, you can't really see, is a spring. It flows throughout the summertime, usually when we're not in a drought. And this cliff wall goes right up from that second floor all the way up to the top floor of the guest house. There are some beautiful stone steps over here on this side that go back up to that utility room we were just in. Lots of construction going on here. All those floors came out. The floor right above our heads here is new, and each of the floors above it as well. You can see the electric panel just put on by the electrician and recently fired up by the electric company. There's 3 of our 4 cats hanging out as they do. So here's that back wall. It's high. You can see windows from the top 2 floors. Window there for the bottom floor. The generous eaves overhanging on the end and the sides, which are really nice. And that little walkway on the right there that connects to the main house. That's the project so far. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay updated on all the progress we're making on the guest house, like this video, but also subscribe. I would like to have you as a subscriber and keep you updated on everything that's going on here at Rock Run House.